Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach about components of basic components of a GUI window. Now, Information Technology Part 24, Class 9, Unit 2. Now, today I am going to explain about the scroll bar. What is a scroll bar? Function of the scroll bar, what is the uses of the scroll bar. Now, scroll bars, there are two scroll bars, horizontal and vertical. There are two types of the scroll bars, first horizontal and vertical bar. When the size of the application window is larger than the screen size, the scroll bars automatically become active. When the size of the application window is larger than the screen size, the scroll bar automatically become active. Suppose that we can do different types of program, different types of the application. This application will larger than the window is larger than the screen size, then we use scroll bar. Now, scroll bars allow you to move up and down page. Scroll bar allow you to move up and down page. If the entire page or document does not fit on your screen, then you apply up and down page with the help of scroll bar. That means the screen size is larger than, then we use scroll bar up and down page. Now, our next point is frame. What is frame? A frame is the window in which an application window opens. That means a frame is the window in which an application window open. That means a frame is the window where our different application will open on frame. This is the frame. Now, we will discuss next topic. Okay. 3. Now, our next topic is my computer. What is my computer? What is the uses of the my computer? Now, about my computer. My computer, it provides access to all the system files and folders. That means it provides access to all the system files and folder. It also allows to search for and open files and folders and gain access to option in the control panel to modify your computer setting. It also allows to search for and open file and folder and gain access to option in the control panel to modify your computer setting. Suppose that you want to change in our computer setting, then you go control panel and you modify of your computer setting. Now, how to open this setting, computer setting? Now, to open an item of the my computer, just double click it. To open the My Computer, you can just double click on the icon of the My Computer to open this. Now, alternatively, select the item to be opened and click the right button of the mouse. And alternatively, select the item to be opened and click the right button of the mouse. Now, My Computer, the listing of file can be viewed in different way. Suppose that we want to view some files, then we use this My Computer, the listing of files, and files can be viewed in different way. This include options like thumbnails, styles, icons, list, and details. We can view the different files with the help of different styles like thumbnail, tiles, list, icons, details, etc., etc. This is the way the viewing of the different files. And now My Computer also show the drives present in your computer. That means in My Computer it show different folders, files in the My Computer like C drive, D drive, USB drive, F drive, G drive, etc. My Computer also show the disks and drives like C drive, D drive, USB drive, etc., etc. This is the about of My Computer. Now we will discuss next topic. Now our next topic is recycle bin. What is recycle bin? Recycle bin is that type of recycle bin which is used to store deleted temporary file, temporarily hold the data. It is hold the temporarily data which is deleted. Now we discuss about the recycle bin. Now recycle bin. The recycle bin is an area that temporarily holds the deleted file and folder before they can be finally removed from the hard disk. That means the recycle bin is an area that temporarily holds the deleted file and folder. Temporarily holds the deleted file and folder before they can be finally removed from the hard disk. Now, to view the content of the recycle bin, open it by either double clicking its icon or using the mouse right click menu. We want to view the content of the recycle bin, then we open this. For double clicking its icon or using the mouse click button. Our next point is to see the location from where a file or folder was deleted. To see the location from where a file or folder was deleted, click the right mouse button from the right click menu select properties, the location of the file is given in origin. That means when we delete the file or folder, which position, and we want to see the location from where a file folder was deleted, then you right click the mouse button. From the right click mouse button, select the property, the location of the file is given in origin. This is the recycle bin. This is about the recycle bin. And now we discuss the next point. Now our next topic is to restore a file. To restore a file, first of all, we select it, click the right mouse button, from the right click menu, select restore. Suppose that we delete some file folder, then we want restore, we get back again, then we use restore to get deleted file and folder. Now to delete a file from the recycle bin, to delete a file from the recycle bin, first of all we press the delete key or either select delete from the right click menu. First of all, press the delete key or select delete from the right click menu. Then it automatically delete our file or folder which is selected. And now we want to empty the recycle bin. To empty the recycle bin, first of all select the recycle bin, click the right mouse button, from the right click menu, select empty. All the content of the recycle bin get deleted. Now dear student, if we want to delete permanent our file and folder from the recycle bin, then we use this step. And next step, open the recycle bin, press Ctrl+A to select all file and folders. Then we click Ctrl+A. Then we press delete key from the keyboard. Then we get deleted our permanent file folder from recycle bin, and our recycle bin will be empty. This is the step 2 to empty the recycle bin. This is all is the about recycle bin. Now dear student, today is enough. If you have a problem, then you contact with me. Now, thank you.